Hey guys, so our LG 65 inches OLED just got delivered. We're going to unbox it with you guys, and then my husband is going to assemble it on the wall. And then before we go into the unboxing, can you see the gallery section of this TV is really beautiful. A lot of gallery, a lot of nice pictures on the gallery section. Very, very beautiful. And look at the quality of the TV. It's really, really beautiful. The picture quality is really, really very nice compared to what we used to have. Seriously, this is like the bomb. It's really, really beautiful, and it actually transformed our living room. And then before we go into the unboxing, I'm going to show you the previous TV we used to have. This is the 49 inches LG TV. We are fan of LGs anyways. So this is what we used to have. And here come the LG 65 inches C10 OLED TV. Some people call it CX, LG 65 inches CX. Some people call it LG 65 inches C10. So whatever, you can call it anything, C10, CX, anything, but is the LG 65 inches OLED TV. Yeah, and this TV is really, really beautiful, very beautiful. You can see from the carton that the screen of the TV is really tiny, and here comes the TV. There is something different about this TV. The base of the TV is at the bottom, but our previous LG TV, the base is at the middle, and it really helps us a lot because of what we actually how we actually wanted to install it, because we want it to be a bit higher than the previous installation we actually did with the 49 inches. So all my husband actually did was to remove the bracket from the previous TV, then just move it to the new one. That was all he did, and it's as simple as that, and it worked perfectly well. So if you don't want to call someone to come and install it for you that you need to pay, if you have TV on the install TV on the wall already, or if you mount your TV on the wall already, all you can just do is just to remove the bracket from the old one and move it to the new one, and then use the installation on the wall. Just put it on it and it worked perfectly fine. So that was just exactly what my husband did, and it really worked perfectly fine. So what some people don't know also is that there is a transparent bag at the side of the TV. It causes heating if you don't take it off. So a lot of people don't know about this. So please, if you get your LG 65 inches OLED, be sure to take off that bag. Yes.
Heating. Yeah, heating. It will produce heat that will melt, possibly.
Okay, so that's the reason why you have to take the bag off.
Take it off, yeah.
So it's mounted on the wall already, and we're just taking off the bag, like the Africans we call it tear rubber. Yes, we're just removing the rubber out of it. And this is really, really beautiful. I love it. It's really beautiful. And my husband just did a little setting on it, and that was all. And your TV is set. Look at how good the quality of this TV is. Just look at the picture. Look at the picture quality. It's really, really very nice. Superb compared to what we used to have. Seriously, this is beautiful. It will just transform your living room, your bedroom. It transforms your room automatically. Yes, it's really, really beautiful. We love it a lot. And then again, you see how slim, you can see how slim the screen of the TV look. The screen of the TV really looks very, very slim, and it looks very, very nice. And then you will see our PS4. No, we've upgraded it to PS5. So if you've not seen our unboxing of our PS5, please go check it out. So guys, these are some of the pictures from the gallery. A lot of beautiful pictures. I'm just going to run them through so you guys can actually see the beautiful pictures frames that they have on the gallery. Different kind of pictures on the gallery. So These are some of the pictures on the LG 65 inches C10 OLED TV. So guys, these are what you're going to see on the TV when you get one for yourself. Yes. So if you've not subscribed to this channel, please support us by subscribing to the channel. We do upload gadgets on this channel as well, unbox some gadgets on this channel. So if you want to see our unboxing on gadgets, please be sure to subscribe to the channel and make sure your notification bell is on, so when we upload any gadget, you'll be able to see it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.